Hello, my name is Marco Borinato. I am the Cluster B leader of FP3 YAM4Rail, and today I am here to present you one of the demonstrator of Cluster B related to a non-intrusive data collection system for TMS and interlocking system. The non-intrusive data collection system focuses on the collection of two important information. On one side, operational data related to the traffic information of the area. On the other, instead, diagnostic information collected directly from the boards that controls the switch and crossing and the track circuit. The combination of this data allows us to store information in the Intelligent Asset Management System database that can be used later on to develop machine learning algorithm for the prediction of the asset and to compute useful statistics for the operator.
In this phase of the project, the collected data is used to create monitoring dashboards for signaling devices. From the schematic view of the area, the user can access the asset-specific interface, in this case of a point machine, to analyze anomalous trends in the operational parameters or to monitor the record of events related to it. Additionally, the diagnostic data collected is used to compute KPIs related to the operational behavior of the point machine, such as the number of transitions or the average movement time. The diagnostic track line diagram provides a quick indication of the diagnostic status of the area. If a track circuit is colored in green, that means that the operational parameters collected do not show any anomalous trend. A yellow or orange track circuit instead signifies that something is not performing as it should, and this is also reflected in the number of alarms raised by the interlocking diagnostic system. These dashboards offer operators a real-time and remote view of the asset status, enabling proactive oversight and swift issue resolution. The visualizations are designed to be intuitive and actionable, empowering users to make informed decisions with ease.
Looking ahead, the next step for Work Package 4 are to expand on the data collection and analysis in order to improve the models for asset status prediction. The goal is to use this data to interface with the maintenance operators to support them to switch for a more proactive asset maintenance procedure, and to support the train controller in order to optimize the train traffic on the line.